Welcome back, C3 family. Thanks for tuning in for your connoisseur crypto content. My name's Jake, and today we got huge news on VeChain. We also will be going over a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum market update, as well as finally dropping our C3 secret microcap altcoin gem. So please stay tuned for the very end to see this coin. It has already done a 10x. We're looking at an easy 100x with this coin. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. And with that being said, let's jump right into the charts. So over here we got Bitcoin right around the 63,000 range. Let's see what Market Cipher has to say down here on the bottom. Looks like our yellow wave is trying to cross back to the upside. Our RSI money flow is trying to kind of come back up. So this is looking a little bullish on the short term. This is only 4-hour charts. Bitcoin dominance over here, basically the percentage of Bitcoin over the entire cryptocurrency market cap, is at 54.44%. So this thing has been taking, and that's why Ethereum and altcoins have been taking off. So right around this level, once we fell below this 56.25%, it's altcoins have just been blasting off. So anyway, big picture over here on Bitcoin. Let's zoom out real quick. Give you guys maximum viewing space. So all right, so we got Bitcoin 63K, but when we zoom out on the 4-hour, we have a huge rising wedge. So typically this is a bearish scenario, but we are in a bull run, so we are watching. This isn't a definitive thing, and also cryptocurrency kind of moves in its own manner anyway. So we came up here, hit resistance really quick, came back down, cupped out, hit resistance, handled, came up, back down, and then right here, nice inverse head and shoulders, came down, a little one again, and we blasted up here and hitting this resistance. So then we kind of came down here a little bit. So right now we're kind of watching to see what we do. Come back up here, there is chances we could come up, but with the technicals, we're kind of looking like we're coming down this direction because Ethereum and altcoins have been pumping, and this might just be the beginning. So over here, let's look at Ethereum really quickly. To the right of Ethereum is the Ethereum and altcoin market cap, which we're almost at $1 trillion, so 985 billion. We've been pumping up really nicely. Market Cipher is giving us a nice buy dot down here, so we rely a lot on Market Cipher, especially when doing day trades. So this signal right here is typically a buy signal. This is bullish, so we'll be putting in some trades on some altcoins. But with that being said, let's hop over to Ethereum really quickly and look at what we got going on. And it looks like we have the same buy dot going on. So this kind of just reinforces our altcoin run that's about to happen, so, or is currently happening. We're not too sure. We'll know once Bitcoin starts to go sideways. But anyway, on the big picture here on Ethereum, on the 4-hour charts, we have kind of the same pattern as Bitcoin. And what happened was we ended up doing the same kind of small shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, came up, double bottom, and then came up here, barely hit resistance, blasted above. So Ethereum's looking really, really healthy. Let's check out Cardano. This is one of our favorite projects we got into last year, right around this time actually, and we are up to $1.45, and Anybody in the Cardano ADA family has been waiting for this. We've been really sideways, kind of down, lots of FUD, people going in and out saying Ethereum versus Cardano, yada, yada, yada. Anyways, we held on strong and it's really paying off. So anyways, let's hop into VeChain. VeChain just recently hit all-time highs, and we're kind of going a little bit higher right now, actually, as we're recording this. So this is beautiful. Look at this nice chart here, just parabolic move, and this baby's been really down and sideways for so long. So this is VeChain's time. It's about time. So we'll be going over their partnerships they have and one huge new partnership they just made. So 24-hour price change, we got about 17%. Trading volume, super impressive, $3 billion in 24 hours trading volume. Market dominance, about 0.5% over the total alt and Bitcoin market, so that's pretty impressive. We're market rank number 16, so VeChain just doing really, really big things. So let's hop over to their Twitter really quickly. Just a couple days ago on the 12th, they released this tweet saying that on their VeChain Thor wallet, they just reduced transactions for all stakeholders by 99%, which is huge. If anybody's paid any MetaMask, Uniswap, ETH gas fees, they know that transaction fees are important. So knowing what blockchain you're operating on is very crucial to your ROI. It can affect it quite a bit. So anyway, let's check out this CoinDesk VeChain article. This is an older article, actually, back from May last year. So anyways, one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world is working with VeChain to develop a new blockchain-based traceability platform. Bear China revealed in an interview Thursday it had chosen VeChain as tech provider for a new blockchain-powered solution that will allow the firm, a branch of Bear, to track clinical drugs across the supply chain, which is huge. This has been a real big issue in the US. There was an opioid crisis. If they were able to track these prescriptions across a secure, untouchable blockchain ledger, I think somebody would have realized really quickly that we were overprescribing. So anyway, away from that type of stuff, more big VeChain partners. So here's a nice list of partnerships. This one's pretty cool. Direct Imported Goods, DIG for short, is a wine importer which manages over 30% of China's wine imports and is a government-owned subsidiary of Shanghai, a word I'm not even going to try to pronounce, Free Trade Zone Development. VeChain will be used to validate the trace winery data from the producers via supply chain by using smart NFC chips in the wine bottles to end this counterfeiting market. So this is really huge, monumental. This is kind of something similar to what NFTs are doing in the art world and also other utilities. So another partnership group, Renault. They are a multi-automobile manufacturer based in France, which became the 9th biggest automaker in the world by production volume in 2016. So, in collaboration with Microsoft and Vizio, VeChain developed a digital car maintenance book which is tamper-proof. This enables the owner of a vehicle to share data about the car that is tamper-proof, such as mileage when he or she wants to sell. So that's pretty awesome. That's huge. That's like a secure Carfax kind of next level. Nobody can manipulate it. It's just public blockchain ledger. So anyways, there's quite a few other partnerships. VeChain, they're mostly Asian partnerships. Down here though, this is one we've heard of in the US. Walmart China and VeChain work together on traceability platform. This announcement related to the Walmart China blockchain traceability program. Traceability platform came with the introduction of the first 23 product lines that were tested and launched on this platform. The goal is to reach 100 products by the end of the current year, 2021. This would be very positive for the adoption of VeChain and its network. So, Walmart's huge company. So, if you thought that was a big partnership, this next one is incredibly huge. So, Salesforce is a company out of San Francisco. They are the #1 CRM platform. So, what is Salesforce used for? It's a cloud computing service as a software. It specializes in customer relationship management, CRM. Salesforce services allow businesses to use cloud technology to better connect with customers, partners, and potential customers. So that's pretty big. And then this is just a Google question. Does Amazon use Salesforce? Salesforce President Keith Block said that Amazon now uses Salesforce CRM software company-wide. Salesforce new Internet of Things, or IoT, cloud is based on Heroku, which means it runs on AWS, but that's not all. Binofo also said newly announced pieces of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud run on AWS. So this is extremely bullish. Let's just check out the VET chart really quickly. Right now we're on the day chart, and if you see down here on the Market Cipher B, we have a buy dot that just printed yesterday. So this is super bullish. Not only are the technicals bullish on VeChain, but also the news and everything coming out is just huge, and it's a time for VeChain to really move. So this is never financial advice, but we're still accumulating more. We bought way back down in the flat sideways zone, but we're still accumulating more. This is a great project that it's like a long-term stockholder, just gonna hodl it forever. Anyway, this next project we're about to bring to you is huge. The C3 Secret Micro Cap Altcoin Gem. This coin has already done a 10x. It easily will do 100x by the end of this bull run. And it not only will do that, not financial advice, but you can also receive what are known as flowback rewards. And we'll be explaining this in our micro cap segment. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, C3 fam, stay blessed. Thanks for staying tuned for our C3 Secret Micro Cap Altcoin Gem. Glad you guys stuck around. It's going to be worth it. So let's just get right to it. Here's the picture you guys probably saw, and it is Sharing. Sharing has great technology. I'm sure you guys have heard of this COVID-19 virus. So their technology will allow digital health passes, basically e-visas on arrival. So this is huge. This isn't the only technology that they have, but this just kind of fell right into their lap. So this is really great. So if you come over to their website, you can get a wealth of information. It basically tells you about the Sharing ID, their app that they're releasing very soon. It's just gone through beta. Over 2,500 users have beta tested it out. It's in the final stages of being released. So this is huge. So what will I use Sharing ID for? Health verification, COVID-19, travel, anything for book a taxi, ferry trip, hotel, rentals, education and employment, and financial services. So again, use cases, vaccines, health data, Hotel Express check-in, and travel e-visas. So here's a bunch of other frequently asked questions, but if you guys come over to sharing.network, you can check out their blog and you kind of just follow their journey. One of their huge partnerships is Tencent Cloud. If you look them up on Google, they find a wealth of information, and here's something we're going to be talking about. But first, let's jump right into the numbers, the nitty gritty. We got sharing at around 7.5 cents right now. We got a market cap 170 million, fully diluted 480 million. I don't think that really accounts for what's going on in the world, but anyway, that's personal. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. This is, what we're into, what we're buying. We bought sharing actually back down here in these ranges, and feeling pretty good about it. So we kind of peaked out at almost a 10x up here, like the video said. So, we have so much more room for growth on this coin. It's just really, really solid project. So let's hop into the trading view real quick. I just wanted to show you guys this daily chart. Of course, we use Market Cipher. Great tool. And down here we have a buy dot on the daily chart. So we of course have to wait for this to close, but this is looking really bullish. Look at the last time we had a buy dot print was back down here. So that was a nice little move it made on that. So that was an easy 200%. So, take that for what it's worth. Let's come over here. So this is news that was just released on the 11th. Sharing joins Good Health Collaborative as contributor. So Good Health Pass Collaborative is an open, inclusive, cross-sector initiative bringing together leading companies and organizations from technology, health, and travel sectors. Everything sharing's about. Our members are creating a blueprint for interpretable digital health pass systems and building a safe path to restore international travel and restart the global economy. Something everybody's excited about. So let's click back over to here. Sharing is the most complete blockchain-based ecosystem for securely accessing and buying goods and services worldwide. Has joined the Good Health Pass Collaborative as working group contributor. Launched in February by ID 2020, the collaborative is an open, inclusive, cross-sector initiative. This is what I just read to you guys. So the ID 2020 is a health pass. This is what I wanted to read to you guys right here. Is identity is vital. So this is what ID 2020 is. They're, I keep getting messed up here. So basically, this is a system for identification. Just cut and dry. So 1.1 billion people worldwide live without a digital ID. So there's a huge need for this. Anyway, you guys can check out this website, id2020.org. So let's go over here to sharing on CoinGecko. You can find a little bit more information. You can check out all their social medias. You guys can come down here and check out where it's trading at and for what price. Not financial advice, but we really like KuCoin. Really great exchange. So anyway, thanks for staying tuned till the very end. We got a little bit more information on for you guys. Sorry, this is super exciting. Sharing's community live stream with Tim Boss, the CEO of Sharing. This is going to be a live AMA on the 21st. So coming up here in about 6 to 7 days. So we're really excited about this. They're going to be releasing even more information, letting us know what's going on with the app and when we can expect to see that. So anyway, thank you guys for staying tuned to the very end. You guys are the best, and we really appreciate you guys sticking around. So as always, C3 fam, stay blessed.